Everyone, it's been a while since I've done one of these, so probably a couple years. Figured it's time to catch up. I'm raffling this guitar off, so I thought I'd use it for this one. I'm going to show you the parts that I play in the Blondie song Maria. Again, this is what we do live, so I think it's a different key. There's probably a couple different parts, but this is what I play when we do the show live. So I'm going to start basically with the opening riff. I'll go into the verse, pre-chorus, chorus. I'll just play all three of those back to back. And then we'll hit the solo after that. All right, here we go. Here's the top. That's the the verse, pre-chorus, and chorus. And here's the guitar solo I do live. I think I take some of it from the record, some parts, mix and match. So here's what I do live for the solo. There you go. Solo parts from Maria.